Hello everyone, welcome to Simplified. So I am here to give you the updates about NISER Ph.D. program. So NISER is located in Bhubaneshwar, National Institute of Science, Education and Research. So here you can see the notification, Ph.D. Advertisement 2024 Winter Session. So when you will click on this notification, you will get to see this page. So this is the notification of NISER. And notice for admission to PhD program 2024-25 winter session. So online applications are invited from Indian citizens for admission to PhD program scheduled to commence from January 2025 in the following schools of NISER Bhubaneshwar. So these 5 schools have opened the PhD admissions, that is School of Biological Sciences, School of Chemical Science, School of Computer Science, School of Earth and Planetary Science and School of Physical Science. So let's see the eligibility of School of Biological Science. So they have given minimum educational qualifications, Biological Sciences, so 55% or equivalent GPA in Masters or MTech or MPharm in any branches of Agricultural Science, Biology, Life Science, Pharmacy, any specialization, Veterinary Science, Computer Science, Bioinformatics and Biotechnology. Students with master's degree in physics, chemistry or maths having interest in pursuing the career in biology, they are also encouraged to apply. So candidates with a 4-year or 8-semester bachelor's degree program with a minimum of 75% marks in aggregate or equivalent grade are also eligible to apply for the program. Now let us see the requirement for the qualifying in national level exams for pursuing PhD programs. So School of Biological Sciences, the candidate should have qualified at least one of the national level exams, that is CSIR, UGC NET, GATE, DBT, ICMR, etc. that is valid for the academic year August 2024 to July 25. Also they have given the eligibility for other sciences like chemical science, computer science, physical science and all. Now they have given important note here, that is cutoff marks for national exams such as GATE will be further decided by each school for the relevant subject area. Students having inspired doctoral fellowship only without qualifying any of the above mentioned national level written exam will not be considered for the admission to PhD program in NISER. If you have qualified only the Inspire Fellowship and if you don't have any kind of these national level exams fellowship, then you are not eligible to apply. Then candidates with GPA, CGPA in qualifying degree will be required to produce supporting documents from their respective university or institutes specifying the conversion into percentage. Now they have told about the fellowship also, that is 37,000 as a JRF for the first 2 years and subsequently 42,000 for maximum period up to another 3 years as senior research fellowship, subject to fulfillment of all academic requirements stipulated by institute from time to time. And then students with external fellowship from the agencies like CSIR, UGC will be eligible to draw fellowship as per the extent rule of the respective funding agencies. Such students will not be considered for the NISER or DAE fellowship. Then now they have given the research areas currently that is pursuing the different schools in the NISER Institute, that is in School of Biological Sciences. What are the research areas? Molecular mechanism of eukaryotic translation initiation, mechanism of membrane remodeling and its role in organelle biogenesis, mechanism of neuronal membrane remodeling and deformation by the crosstalk of amyloidogenic proteins, mechanistic studies on anti-cancer lead compounds, molecular genetics and epigenetics of aging disorders, neurodegeneration and cancer, intercellular exchanges and signaling events in gastric cancer, molecular medical microbiology, understanding persistence in bacteria and role of membrane proteins in antimicrobial resistance and stress, mechanistic understanding of plant development from the perspective of climate change, bacterial divisome and plasmid segregation complexes. For the further information, you can visit to their website. Also, they have given research area of different sciences. Then they have talked about the selection procedure. Selection committee of the respective schools will shortlist the candidates from the applications received by the deadline. Merely satisfying the minimum qualification does not guarantee shortlisting. The schools may set additional criteria as deemed necessary. The shortlisted candidates will be called for an interview, supplemented by written test if necessary. Based on the academic record and performance of the candidate in the selection process, the selection committee will recommend candidates for admission to PhD program. Now, how you have to apply? The applicant must apply online. You have to apply on this website following the stepwise instructions mentioned therein to complete the application. Then candidates intending to apply for more than one school must fill up separate online forms for each school with appropriate supporting documents. NISER does not demand any application fee from the candidates who apply for PhD program. Now they have given the important dates, that is very much important. Now online application portal will be activated on 23rd October, that is it has been started. Last line for filling up the form will be 14th November, that is very much important for all of you guys. Shortlisted candidates list will be uploaded on 19th November. Tentative dates for the interview, it will be around, for the biological science, it will be 10 to 12 December. Okay. Now each school will send the call letters to the candidates separately. Kindly refer to the website for the announcement of selected candidates. PhD first semester registration is scheduled to be held on 3rd January and classes will commence from 6th January 2025. If you have any query, then you can send your email to this IDs. Then applicants are encouraged to visit school webpage for more information on research activity. Now they have given the checklist for application submission. During online submission, you will need to have the following ready with you for uploading. That is your JPEG file of your passport size photo, JPEG file of your valid signatures, birth certificate or 10th pass certificate in support of your date of birth, certificate in support of your category, certificate and mark sheets in support of passing qualifying exam, that is master's or bachelor's degree. In case original pass certificate is not issued by the university, then a provisional certificate from the university certifying the completion of degree should be submitted, and a certificate in support of your qualifying national level exams such as CES, IR, DBT, that also you have to submit. So this was all about NISER PhD program. All the best. Thank you.